Who's awesome lineup on the floor. Little Red Wrecking Hood. Dominant Jean, she's just sitting back like a shark on Micro Psycho, keeping her out. Kitty, so good at taking those hits and staying in, grabs the hold of pretty strong walking with a hip whip off of her own skater, shoots out the front. But Domino Boom takes a big turn. Both these skaters are just pouring it on. This has been some of the fastest racing roller derby I've seen in a long time. And the race is on right here.